It's a hard but necessary pill to swallow, and no amount of marketing or selling is going to repair my reputation. So the request was for me to offer you some strategies and techniques to see if there is a way to repair a tarnished reputation. And here's a spoiler alert: there is. And if there's some part of you that's thinking, like, I don't know if I would ever be able to admit out loud that I felt this way, but you have been feeling this way, then this episode is for you. It's built on pattern behavior.